here's how we can make 10 times more progress towards our goals in the same amount of time. 3 simple things. So first off, you have to set your goals properly. So I'd like to introduce to you the SMART framework. If you already know what this is, and this is the way you set your goals, then you're already achieving them faster than the average person, which is crazy, I know, because some people just literally say, my New Year's resolution is going to be to lose weight. It's not smart. SMART goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Those 5 things, they're all kind of self-explanatory. I'll run through them real quick. Specific, it has to be specific because you have to know what you actually want. An example of this would be, I want to reach 200 subscribers by the end of September, August, December, whatever. Has to be measurable. You have to put a number in there. I want to gain 10 pounds by the end of this year. Because if you can't measure it, then you can't see how much progress you've made. The more progress you make on it, the more you see, oh, I'm almost there. It gives you the motivation to keep going. Achievable. It has to be achievable. If it's not achievable, you'll sabotage yourself subconsciously, and then you'll be like, oh yeah, I wasn't even trying. And you make up excuses to make yourself not the one to blame for this, for somehow. So you have to make it achievable. Relevant. It has to be relevant to what you actually want to do in life. If you just say, I want to become a pro soccer player by the end of next year, that's completely irrelevant to what I want to do. It's completely irrelevant. I don't even like soccer. I don't even really like that many sports. I don't really like watching sports either. I find it to be so incredibly boring. And the last one is time bound. It has to have a start date and an end date. You need to see how much time you have left in the goal. So that's the SMART framework explained in quickly. So you just set those goals, and you just set habits that get you towards your goals. Every day, repeat a habit every week. Go for a run. Go for 2 runs a week if your goal is to run a marathon. If you want to gain a certain amount of money by the end of the year, get another job. Find another source of income, sell some stuff. And the last thing is make a habit tracker. Dude, this could literally be a piece of paper on your wall that has lines down it, and it's got the goals. At the bottom, maybe you put the goals, and then at the top of it, put like habits. So write the habits down, and then put the days on top. So it's like, or the other way around. You could have your habits here, and the day of the week there going down. So then each habit, put a check mark on it if you did it that day, or if you didn't, leave it blank. And then you can literally see every day your progress, how long you've been doing that habit for. Just make a simple habit tracker. It'll motivate you, promise me. I promise you. And that is honestly the best way to set goals and achieve them as fast as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.